In exercise 1.2, we are asked to evaluate the following by subtracting the indices. Now we shall be applying the laws of indices. So this is equal to, so long as the bases are the same, the law says, and it is division, you subtract the powers. So this is equal to, now you always subtract the second power from the first. Subtraction is not commutative. What I mean by that is that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay, so it is always you subtracting this from this. So this is equal to 7 raised to the power of 12 minus 9, which is equal to 7 raised to the power of 3. B, number 2, we have this to be 13 raised to the power of 15 minus 8, which is equal to 13 to the power 7. 3, this is P to the power 20 minus 13, which is equal to P to the power 7. For 20 minus 13 is 7. For 4, this is K to the power 25 minus 18, which is equal to K to the power 7. Number 5, this is equal to 12 to the power m minus n, and this is your answer. I'm going to leave question number 6 as an exercise for you to solve. You can try this yourself and let me have the answer at the comment section. There will be an award for the first 5 persons with the correct answer. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on subtraction. In exercise 1.3, we are asked to simplify the following. In this exercise, we are going to be having coefficients. Just like I said in the law, when you're having a coefficient, you have to divide the coefficient by itself. So this is equal to 27 divided by 9 x raised to the power of 10 minus 4. This is equal to 27 divided by 9 is 3. X raised to the power of 10 minus 4 is 6. So this is said to be 3x raised to the power of 6. Question 2 is equal to 42 divided by 3 times y raised to the power of 12 minus 5. This is equal to 3 into itself is 1. 3 into 4 is 1, remainder 1. This becomes 12. 3 into 12 is 4. So this is 14y raised to the power of 12 minus 5 is 7. So this is your answer. Question 3, this is equal to 36 divided by 9 times p raised to the power of 7 divided by p raised to the power of 3, which is equal to 36 divided by 9 is 4. So this is 4p raised to the power of 7 minus 3 is said to be 4. So this is 4p raised to the power of 4. Question 4, we have 28 divided by 7 times q raised to the power of 10 minus 5. This is equal to 28 divided by 7 is 4. So this is 4q raised to the power of 10 minus 5 is 5. For question number 15, this is equal to, I'm going to leave question number 15 for you to solve as an exercise and drop your answers at the comment section. It's going to be 500 naira recharge card for the first 5 learners to solve to give the correct answer. Question 6. This is equal to 4.2 divided by 2.1 times 10 raised to the power of 12 minus 7. This is equal to 2.1 into itself is 1, 2.1 into 4.2 is 2. So this is said to be 2 times 10 raised to the power of 12 minus 7 is said to be 5. So we have 2 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also follow me on Facebook. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take exercise 1.4.